We are a part of the community. We don't stand alone. And so, we have, as a college, a vested interest in helping all of our community prepare themselves for what's going to happen in the future.
We're trying to make these spaces such that you can come in and you can invite other community members to come in and explore and learn a little bit, and then be able to step into an office, ask a question. So we really wanted this to be a space for all of you.
Well, how would we create that space, a place where people would come and walk away excited about the future? So basically, we identified 3 specific areas that we would be focusing on. One of them was augmented and virtual reality. Every one of our occupational clusters is now experimenting in some classes with how they can use augmented or virtual reality in order to further the education of our students. Students are more engaged, students are completing assignments more, and having greater experiences in some ways that they couldn't really do before they even get out into the community and the workplace. Over here in this prototype and design lab, if you were to walk in there, you would find, particularly in this room, a lot of 3D printing and different kinds of 3D printing machines using different kinds of materials. And I think you're going to see 3D printing as being a very significant portion of what happens in the manufacturing environment.
I'm just blown away with how this turned out. It has been such a great journey. NWTC has been great to work with and collaborate with, and to start bringing these technologies to life.
Thank you.